sidekick is deadly. Check this out. When you deliver a sidekick, there's a couple different ways you can start the position of your kick. You can chamber and bring your knees straight up and straight down, but what I prefer to do is I angle it back. I bring my knee not just to my chest, it's not just up and down like this. I pull it back almost to the opposite side of my body. At the same time, the foot I'm standing on, I turn it, I pivot it. Okay, now that I'm in this position, all I have to do is drive my heel out. Another important factor is that re-chambering. So after I deliver my kick, after my kick goes out, I pull my knee right back to my chest. That way, if I missed, the kick doesn't get caught. And if you want a little more power, add a step into it. In a self-defense situation, you could throw a side kick down to the knee, up to the belly, even into the face. So you can go low, medium, or high. You won't develop a more powerful kick than the side kick. Keep moving forward.